Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Visual Studio Code editor on Linux Mint 22.1 xia edition. Open Firefox. Also verify whether we have the Visual Studio Code comes as the pre-installed application or not. VS Code. See, you don't have VS Code. Okay. So close this one. Now go to code.visualstudio.com. Then for Linux Mint, Debian or Ubuntu operating systems, we have to download this .debian package, or just click on download, then select the .debian. Both are same. Click on it. At a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 100 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. Okay. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory. CD downloads. ls. See, here we have the Debian package. You have to install it. Sudo dpkg -i. Give the code, give the tab to autofill, enter Debian package name, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, the installer would like to add Microsoft repository and signing key to update VS Code through apt. Add Microsoft apt repository for Visual Studio Code. Select yes and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now go to applications, then search for VS. See, here we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it to open. See, we got the Visual Studio Code application. Close this one. Also, we can get it by just typing code in the terminal. Hit enter. See, it's opening Visual Studio Code. Okay. So we have successfully installed ls. This file is not recorded anymore. So rm give code, give the tab, hit enter. Ls we have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install Visual Studio Code on Linux Mint 22.1. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.